fifth graders. Today we will be reading Chapter 3 in Esperanza Rising. You should have already listened to it or read it. We will complete our comprehension questions and we will complete our character traits chart. So the objectives are: we can read grade level text with purpose and understanding. We can quote accurately from a text when explaining what the text says explicitly, meaning the author put that in black and white, it's in the words, and when drawing inferences from the text, meaning the author left some clues that makes you believe that. We can use a dictionary to determine word meanings and parts of speech, and we can identify character traits and cite text evidence to support our thinking. So today, what you will need to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to click on your Esperanza Rising chapters 1 through 4 file. Same file we've come back to every single day. You're going to open it and you're going to scroll down to slide 7, and that is Thursday's directions. So if you have not already done so, please listen by clicking on this link or read by clicking on this link. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is pages 7 through 13. Make sure that you turn to the right pages. We read chapter 2 yesterday. Either way, you will need the Seesaw link open with the pages 7 through 13. So I'm going to go ahead and open mine, and I'm the sample student. And you'll want to go ahead and click on page 7. 7 through 13 is chapter 3. So you're going to listen and follow along in your Seesaw for chapter 3. After you listen, you're going to answer the questions on slide 8. Remember that as we answer these questions, we're going back into the text every single time to find the text evidence for the answers. Sometimes it will be in black and white. Sometimes you have to infer by the clues that the author leaves you. Please make sure that you're writing in complete sentences, that you start with correct capitalization and end with punctuation. I did get you started, so if you look on the screen that the sub will be showing, you can see the sentence starters. I have those ready for you. And then you're going to find 3 words that you found while reading the text. These are words that you may not know what they mean, so I probably would not choose wagged as my word. I'm going to find 3 words from chapter 3 that I had no idea what they meant. And I'm going to click on the dictionary link. I'm going to type my word in. And I'm going to enter the word, the definition, and the part of speech for my 3 words. They will go right here. These need to be words from chapter 3. 3 words that you did not know what they meant. And then you're going to complete your character traits. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different characters that you're going to choose. So first thing you'll do is type their name here. For example, if I wanted to write about Esperanza, I would type her name there. And then I would type her character trait here. Remember when we talk about character traits, it's what's on the inside. Is she greedy? Is she kind? Is she smart? What is she? So you're going to type that character trait there. And then you're going to look back in the text. It can be from chapter 1, chapter 2, or chapter 3. And you're going to enter the text evidence. Remember to use text evidence language. You can say, in chapter 1, the text stated, and then tell me. Or in chapter 3, page 4. The author said. Then you're going to tell me what was in that text that made you believe that Esperanza was this character trait. Some great characters to do a character analysis on might be Uncle Luis, Miguel, Uncle Marco, Mama, Abuelita, any of those characters. But make sure you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different characters. Make sure you've typed their name in and that you've typed their character trait. You can also research character traits to help you come up with some words. Don't forget, you need to include that text evidence, okay? That does need to be finished. When you are done with that, you may log into Imagine Language or work on your Zearn lessons. All right, good luck.